Here are some tips that can help you remember what you've studied. Number 1. Take breaks. Your brain needs time to process and consolidate new information. Take short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to give your brain a chance to rest and recharge. Number 2. Practice active learning. Instead of just reading or listening to information, actively engage with it. Take notes, ask questions, and summarize what you've learned. Number 3. Use memory techniques. Mnemonics, visualization, and association are all powerful memory techniques that can help you retain information. For example, you could use acronyms to remember a list of items, create mental images to associate with key concepts, or connect new information with something you already know. Number 4. Test yourself. Testing yourself on what you've learned is a great way to reinforce memory. Practice recalling information from memory or use flashcards to quiz yourself.